Today we are at Sipoo National Park, which is a smaller national park than Nuuksia. This is the entrance to the path leading to the lake Bisajarvi. We are following a ski track and this leads to Bisajarvi, the lake. Today there are not many skiers, so we can walk safely. After 2 kilometers of hike, we will reach Bisajarvi. The lake is kind of frozen, but we cannot walk over it right now. We'll try to follow the yellow track around the lake, and our plan is to get to the first wilderness hut. Bisajarvi Wilderness Hut is somewhere over there on top of that hill. Let's try to go there. Here we can see they have collected all the wood for the fireplace. And we have a nice map of Sipoo. Stairs from here would lead to the wilderness hut. There are still people skiing, so we need to be careful. So let's follow the yellow trail up the stairs and find the wilderness hut. Everything is properly marked. So this is the view from the wilderness hut. The forest department maintains all these places. They have built benches, these huts, this camping area and everything for citizens. So that will be our next destination, Kalkkiruukki. That will be the next hut. And this here is the fireplace. We can warm ourselves or cook, make a barbecue, or just relax. The view of Bisajarvi from up here is amazing. Time to continue. I am going to the next wilderness hut, which is Kalkkiruukki. Everything is so well marked that we cannot get lost in this place. This doesn't even feel like a forest. Back home, a forest would mean thick woods. You feel afraid and terrified to go inside a forest. Here it's like this, and I don't really feel that this. I don't really feel like I'm walking in a forest. This place actually looks familiar, like one of those places back home in Kerala called Vagamon, where there are pine forests and you can walk along the pine forest. Of course, there is no ice there, but then the feel is the same. So this warning says there's a ski track up ahead. You need to be careful. Here we are almost 2 kilometers from Bisajarvi and 5 kilometers from Kuusijarvi, and Kalkkiruukki is like 1 kilometer. Nobody is skiing today. Yeah, this feels exactly like Himalayas. If you have trekked in the Himalayas, this would feel very similar. In Finland, it's hard to find hills and slopes like this. You have to go to these national parks. So this is Kalkkiruukki. We have similar firewood collection place and camping area. There are some people here as well. Need to be mindful of my manners here. Finns are very particular about their privacy, so there is always an amazing viewpoint very close to every wilderness hut. Check this out. That looks like a nice place to sit down and have some food. There are some cyclists, and I saw one of them fall down. Time to head back. The texture has changed. The sun is setting, the lights have changed. We are back at Bisajarvi camping area and the sun is about to set. For the final segment, let's get to Kuusijarvi. So people will be fat biking, or mountain biking, skiing, walking, or even horse riding in these woods. You just need to be careful. amazing how clearly these paths are marked. Along the path from Bisajarvi to Kuusijarvi is this new bridge. There are some special kind of engravings on the bridge, and it's very high. Lake Kuusijarvi. I've done another video exclusively featuring this place. So this is the end of our trail today. So we have walked all across Sipoo National Park from Bisajarvi to Nuttars to Kalkkiruukki to Kuusijarvi. Until next time, bye.